Vikings! Welcome back from spring break. I hope you enjoyed your break. Here's this week's news.
Hey Vikings, hope you guys enjoyed your week off. We got some important and exciting events coming up, so make sure you're listening closely. This Thursday, April 16th, there will be a House of Representatives meeting during ASB Period 4. All members be there, be prepared, and be ready to lead with Viking pride. Then on Friday, April 17th, get ready for one of the most exciting events of the season, our food fair. Vikings, this is your chance to come together as a community, enjoy amazing food, and support your fellow classmates. Make sure you show up, bring your friends, and bring that Viking energy. Also happening on Friday is the Food Fair Lottery at 3:45 p.m. during ASB. So don't miss your chance to be part of the action. And Vikings, let's stay focused because Friday, April 17th, also marks the end of the second grading period for the 7th week term. Finish strong, turn in all your assignments, and show everyone what Vikings are made of. Hard work, determination, and excellence. That's all for this week, Vikings. See you guys next time.
Hey Vikings, here are your weekly staff announcements. Hope you had a restful and relaxed spring break, because it's showtime. This Friday, April 17th, is the opening night of MVHS Theater's Peter and the Starcatcher, also hosting showings on the 23rd and 24th. Get your tickets quick though, only $8 at the activities office, cause you don't want to miss this one. Lastly, seniors, as we approach graduation, all of your happy memories and experiences of your time here at Mountain View are probably flooding back to you. I know mine are. Take some time to look through your photos and videos from freshman year to now, and send them to us using the QR code on screen. Whatever you send will be shown during the class video at graduation, so that we can all enjoy celebrating our time together one last time. Hope to see you on there. That's it from me this week, Vikings. Stay tuned next time for more important info about the View.
Welcome back to Juanes Sophia. Here's what's happening this month. Need a break from stress? Join our mindful meditation session every Friday during lunch throughout April. It's a perfect chance to relax, reset, and take care of your mental health during the school day. April is also full of important awareness events and activities. The Wellness is hosting an Autism Awareness Art Contest. Submit your artwork to the Wellness Center for a chance to win. The winner will be announced April 30th. Also on April 15th, we encourage everyone to wear blue to support child abusive prevention and help raise awareness across our campus. That's all for this week. Thanks for tuning in with Juanes Sophia. See you next time, Vikings.
What's up, Vikings? Here's your weekly update on sports across the View. First off, on Tuesday, April 14th, boys varsity tennis will host the El Monte Lions here at home at 3:30. Next, on Wednesday, April 15th, varsity softball will hit the road towards Providence High School to face the Pioneers at 3:15. A little later, boys volleyball will bring on the Rosemead Panthers here at the gym at 3:30, with JV up first and varsity to follow. Also, cheer stunt will travel to Arroyo High School as they perform against the Knights at 5 o'clock. Then, on Thursday, April 16th, boys varsity tennis will host the Arroyo Knights here at the tennis courts as they celebrate their amazing seniors on their senior night at 3:30. Finally, on Friday, April 17th, varsity baseball will travel to Arroyo High School as they challenge the Knights at 3:30 with JV at home. Joining them will be varsity softball as they also tackle the Knights with JV home as well. As always, let's make sure to go out and show our support for our fellow Viking athletes. Also, make sure to keep an eye out for the VISTA live stream links so you can watch our Vikings from anywhere. That's all for this week, Vikings. See you guys next time.
Hey Vikings, today's song recommendation is Nights by Frank Ocean.
Round your city, round the clock. Everybody needs you. No, you can't make everybody equal.
This song is one of Frank's most known and it's always a great listen. I've recommended Frank Ocean before, but I think this song also deserves an episode. That's all for you, Vikings.
Hey Vikings, the TV show for this week is Severance. Severance is a sci-fi thriller about employees who undergo a surgical procedure to divide their memories between work and personal life. The plot follows Mark Scout, who uses this to escape grief, but his work self begins uncovering a dark conspiracy, prompting a fight for autonomy and for truth. That's all for this week, Vikings.
Hello Vikings, for today's Spanish quote is Atrévete a ser diferente, porque ahí es donde comienza lo mejor de ti. Meaning, dare to be different, because that's where the best part of you begins. But that's it for me, Vikings. See you next time.
Hey Vikings, today's game is Super Mario Galaxy 2. It is a fast-paced and highly creative platformer that focuses on gameplay variety and constant new ideas. As Mario travels across different galaxies, each level introduces unique mechanics from gravity-defying jumps to clever puzzles that test timing and skill. The addition of Yoshi gives players new abilities, making exploration even more dynamic and fun. With its colorful visuals, smooth controls, and non-stop creativity, the game delivers an exciting and challenging experience that keeps players engaged from start to finish. Also, the Mario Galaxy movie just released. That's it for me, Vikings.
Hello Vikings! For today's beauty tip, don't be afraid to experiment with different powder makeups, whether it's loose powder or pressed powder, and from different brands too. Everyone's skin is different, so the only way to really perfect your makeup routine is by trying new things and seeing what works best for you. Now for a little gossip. Spring break just ended, so what went down? Did you and your friends go out, stay in, or travel somewhere fun? I know everyone has stories, so start talking and catch up with your friend groups because we're all curious. But that's it for me, Vikings. See you next week.
Hey Vikings, welcome back. Today we're keeping it simple with the Hollister Knit Icon hoodie for this cold weather. This hoodie is already doing the most of the work for you. It's clean, fitted, and low-key, so styling it is really about keeping everything else just as simple. At the end of the day, the hoodie is meant to be easy, throw it on, keep the rest simple, and you'll look good without even trying.
Hey Vikings, the movie for this week is Split. Split, directed by M. Night Shyamalan, follows Kevin, a man with 23 personalities who kidnaps 3 girls. As they try to escape, they discover a dangerous 24th personality called the Beast that is about to take over. The film explores trauma and identity while building intense suspense. Kevin's personalities each have unique traits which makes him unpredictable and dangerous. His psychiatrist believes his condition may give him extraordinary abilities. In the end, the story connects to a larger universe, indeed at future events. That's all from me, Vikings. See you next episode.
Vikings, last week's poll results are 57% would rather be rich and sad, and 43% would rather be poor and happy. The new poll for this week is, did you enjoy your spring break? I know I did. Everyone needs a break sometimes. Let us know if you enjoyed it on our Instagram page at MVHSVista or scan the QR code. I'll see you next week, Vikings.
I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.